welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be reviewing this sewing machine. You can make pockets. So
What is it called?
I cannot read in person. What does that say?
Where is it? Style, stitch. Style and stitch.
Style and stitch. That's what it's called. And this you can make pockets, bags, and keychains. You can hang them on your book bag. You can even make pockets for your crayon, colored pencils, and pencils. And I'm going to be doing a question at the end of this video. Whoever gets it right, I'm going to be giving away this slide. Back to this. So let's get opening to see what's in this craziness. Okay, I knew I would need scissors for a reason.
Don't cut yourself.
Okay, guys, I got it open. Let's go ahead and get this open because this is really hard. Okay. Whoa. This smells new. I knew there was something in it. Okay. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you. We are going to see if this is a fail or if this is an actual toy or a little thing that you can actually make stuff out of. So, how about this one? What is this? What is the box?
No, it's for you to step on so you can sew.
Oh!
You need to read the instructions, yard.
The instructions right there. I'm trying to get this out first. You know, I'm going to get that out after. I'm going to read the instructions first.
This look like this is a real sewing machine.
It do.
I think that's why it's got that little stick.
I'm scared I'm going to cut my finger.
See that round safety cap where the needle is?
It got
Right
A,
here.
B,
Yes,
C,
I think
D,
that's why it's
E,
got
F,
that
G,
big.
H, I, J, K. And all the letters are here. Look at this. All these letters. How am I supposed to understand? I'm not a construction worker.
You gotta read the instructions so you know how to use it.
Oh, look what it started. It says A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A
says.
A don't say nothing. You help me out. 'Cause I'm just confused.
Oh, A tells you what it is.
Because I'm just mixed up. Okay, so I don't know what this is. Wait, I think I do. Wait, I think I do. I don't know what these are. But
you just have to explain what it is. Cause your mom said she's doing a short one. Explain what it is.
You done took up 5 minutes.
and
All the stuff out.
And here was so all you do is just explain what it is, y'all. And right here, just tell them right here everything that is included in it. That's all.
But I have to do
Make
it
it
sure.
short.
You ain't about to go through that and do all that, and I'm not about to either. You got to do it step by step. I don't know how to sew. I ain't no seamstress.
I know, I'm just taking
Here.
this out.
So you still can let them know what it is. That right there you have in your hand, that is a foot pedal.
Okay.
Let them know.
Okay.
All this stuff right here is that's all you get to talk about.
Okay,
What's
guys.
included?
So this that I have in my hand, it's a foot pedal. So basically, you plug this in
Right.
into a part up here, and then
On
you
the
put your
machine.
foot, put on part of the machine. Then you put your foot down on this, and it'll start to sew whatever you put under there. And then we have the yarn. The yarn is for like to create your own design. You can make like a zipper or
Whatever
something.
color, no, the yarn is for whatever color.
Yeah, like
stitch
whatever
you want.
color. Right. And then this is for like the stuffing inside of the pocket that you make.
Yeah, if you want